Hello everyone. Here my cultural visit is to Tenkasi Kasi Vishwanath temple. In this temple, worshipping Lord Shiva is as equal to worshipping the Lord in Kasi. And also in this temple, Kasi Vishwanathar is visible to the devotee even from a distance of 1 kilometer. This temple is so vastly constructed with this facility to the devotees. Then other some special features about this temple is while Mother Durga faces south in almost all temple, but in here she faces west in this temple. Then other interesting features about this temple is which was built by Pandyan ruler Parakrama Pandya during 13th century. This temple is more than 700-year old, and also here in this temple Shiva is worshipped as Kasi Vishwanathar and his consort Parvati as Ulaha Amman. Then in this temple we saw one inscription which was written by Parakrama Pandyan at that time. In that inscription, king written that if someone uplift the brick that fell down from the temple in case of any disruption, then I will carry their deeds over my head. In that way, king written in that inscription. Now also we glimpse that inscription in this temple. Then after this, in the year 1454, temple was collapsed and disintegrated by thunder. So many years this temple was unbuilt. Then the founder of Dinatandi newspaper Adityanath's son, Shivanti Adityanath, did great help to build this temple for more than 2 times. Then this temple holds some historical background, and that is about 700 years ago when King Parakrama Pandyan decided to worship Lord Vishwanatha, he was taking up a pilgrimage to Kasi. Then the Lord Shiva appeared in his dream and ordered him to build a temple here itself to avoid a long journey to north. Then he advised the king to follow the movement of ants' row and build the temple where it ends. Then ants' line ended on the banks, Chittaru river, dense with the Shanbaham trees. In here, king found Lingam and finally built this temple Kasi Vishwanathar as directed by the Lord. This is the historical background behind this temple, and people also believe that this temple was ancient and powerful. That's it. These are some special features about this temple. Thank you.